Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book a flight on TUI Airways. Here are the step-by-step guide on how to book a flight on TUI Airways. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred browser and visit the TUI website. If prompted, just follow the prompt to log in. And once logged in, it's going to take you to the main screen, which is the home page right here. Now, from this home page, go ahead and check the top of the screen, just below the tabs in the top right corner. So here, locate and click on the flights tab. You can locate and click on the flight tabs here, or you can just go ahead and click here. Flights. Now, on the flight window, you're going to see a couple of options that you need to choose. So what kind of flight do you want? A return flight or a one-way flight? Then here, your departure airport. So just go ahead and look for your departure airport. And I'm just going to choose add it on that. Then your destination airport. Okay. What's that gonna be? Let's say I want to go to America. Now you're gonna have to set your departure, the departing date, and that's the departure date and the return date. So, and I want to return 13th. So number of passengers, not two, but one, because just me. So if you have children, go ahead and specify. So in here, you're going to have to indicate the number of passengers traveling, specifying adults, children, or infants. So I'm not doing that. And the next thing you're going to do is to click on search. So once all the details are filled in, go ahead and click on the search button to view available flights matching your criteria. So now it says we have found one flight on the selected date, just one flight. So this is the results page that you'll be directed to, displaying all available flights for your chosen date and destination. Now, if you have a couple of flights, go ahead and compare flight options based on timing, price, and fare class. So click on the flight that best suits your needs to proceed. If it's a round trip booking, you need to select both your departure and return flights. If it's not, just go ahead and select the flight available for you. So this is a flight, it's just one flight available. So I'm just going to click on continue. Now, after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to a page summarizing the flight details and fare options. So just review these details carefully to ensure they meet your needs. All right, so now I've been asked to choose a better seat. So make sure you say better, upgrade to extra legroom seat, choose a window or aisle seat. However, so just go ahead and click on select seat option to select your seats. Again, PIMs are only if you pick them for everyone in your party. To upgrade, must PIMs for everyone. Okay, I just don't want to go through. Okay, pretty much all the seats are not available. Okay, I've clicked on that. And then click on the continue button. Confirm. Continue. Yes. Continue. So I'm clicking on this continue button. Cancel. I'm literally not booking for a group. It's just me. Okay. So I have selected another option. And this scrolls through. I selected another option by the window. All right. So what's included? You can add baggage, hand luggage, check-in luggage, adult. Okay, let's say I don't have that. All right, in food and drink. So I can change the food and drink if I want that. If I need special assistance, I can do it. But then I'm just going to click on continue to head over to the next window. All right, this is the flight summary. So what do you want to protect travel insurance? No, I don't want the travel insurance. Airport parking, airport hotel with parking, TUI Care Foundation. No, thank you. I'm just going to click on continue. But if you want that, just go ahead and fill out if you need those extra details. So here you have to enter if you have a discount code. So if you have a discount code, just enter it here and click on apply. Then you're gonna have to fill out these details, lead passenger, which is you, and then check out your flight summary. And once you're done with all of this information, just go ahead and click on the continue button, which is here. So click on this continue button. Now, once your passenger information is entered and you click on continue, it's going to take you right into the payment section. Now, in the payment section, all you need to do is to select your preferred payments method, either credit card, debit card, or other available options, and enter the necessary payment details. So review all entered details to ensure accuracy, then click on confirm booking to finalize your purchase. After successful payment, you receive a booking confirmation on the screen and via email. This confirmation will include your flight details, booking reference number, and e-ticket information. And you can also access your booking at the time by going to the bookings tab in the top right corner of the TUI homepage and selecting my booking from the drop-down menu. All right, so these steps should guide you through booking a flight on TUI Airways accurately. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go, hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.